Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. We've got the second generation Apple Pencil here. We're going to do a quick unboxing, then I'll show you it working with the iPad Air. If you are interested in one of these, I will have a link below in the description so you can pick one up for yourself or find more information. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. So again, this is the second generation iPad Pencil. It says it's designed to work with the iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini. And on the back here, it says for iPad models with magnetic Apple Pencil connector, it just connects to the side of your iPad. It's Bluetooth and it should sync automatically once it's connected. There's a little tab here to open it up. Pulls the plastic right off. Designed by Apple in California. There's the pencil itself. Let's see what's in here. It's all your paperwork for the pencil right there. And there's the pencil there. It says pencil here at the end with a little Apple logo. It's white in color. It says it has pixel perfect precision on it. Now again, this is Bluetooth, it's low latency, and it says it's designed for drawing, sketching, coloring, note-taking, as well as marking up PDFs. And it really does feel like a real pencil in your hand. I feel like I could just start writing on paper. It's very comfortable. It's got some good weight to it. It actually weighs 20.7 grams or 0.73 ounces. Now the length on it itself is 6.53 inches and the diameter is 0.35 inches. So on the iPad itself, you can see there's a little magnetic charging pad there, and there's a flat side to the Apple Pencil. It just goes on just like that. It's magnetic. That'll automatically sync it and start charging it with your iPad. You can just pull it off like that when you're ready to use it. Now, of course, you can use it like a stylus in here. It feels really natural to use, and if you want to do drawing, sketching, coloring, note-taking, you can easily do that here as well. Now these tips, they do feel a little bit kind of rubberized, and let's just do a sample here. Maybe I'll do a red, and you can start coloring. You can write your name on here. You can erase on here as well, just like that. So it feels really natural. It does feel, I'm not an artist, but it does feel very natural, and I feel like I'm writing on paper, which is awesome with this. Now the other thing is there is kind of a double tap feature here. So if I double tap on here, so you can see that it's switching between the eraser and the pen that I'm using to draw with. So it's very easy. It's got a double tap mode in it. And yeah, it really feels nice on here. And again, this is the Apple Pencil second generation. Just feels really natural in your hand. So I hope you enjoyed this second generation Apple Pencil unboxing. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. I'd love to have you join the Northern Viking community. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.